cars the fast way. Chaos happening. Oh no, what is happening? Let's just pretend that car got launched out. Now we'll switch. Now next batch. This might take a while. So we're ready for the second batch to speed run. So let's go. Now switch. This time is way faster than last time. Now let's get the truck out of the way. Let's put that next to the judges. And also, speaking of judges, we're going to introduce the judges back here. So the tow truck is going to tow them in. So the first truck will be coming in to judge right here. Here he is. We're going to put him where the iPad is. So then we're just going to really quick tow in the next one. Just pretend it got towed up. Then we're going to put it right here. So these are the two judges. They're going to be judging. Don't mind if I forget about them because I probably will. So we'll just leave them here. Then we are going to be setting up the race bracket or tournament. Okay, so guys, the bracket is magically done. So we're going to start our first match, which is these two. Which the exciting thing is this one is really good. I'll give you that for sure. He's definitely going to win. So the one race, the first race, the bracket, go! Told you he would win. Smash, the yellow one won. We're gonna move on to the second match now. Actually, let's move this aside because we need room for the space. I mean, not room for the space. We need room for the races. So we're gonna do this. Okay, well, these two are racing. Let's guess. I think he will win. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. Guess was actually surprisingly correct. Okay, we're in our next match, which these two cars are both race cars. I'm guessing. So we're going to see who wins this fast battle. Go! That was actually kind of a failure because the green one actually, so he just did this. Instead of going, he just turned and he bumped like that and then this car. So that was actually kind of a failure, but it still counts because that was his decision. So next race. This is actually my favorite cars I have. Hot Wheels. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this is actually the Hot Wheels edition, so no other random trucks and stuff. Oh yeah, I also completely already forgot about the judges. I bet they're sad. Anyways. Speed. Yeah, okay. This one's not that stable, but that one actually didn't make that many twisted turns. Next. Okay guys, we're finally on our second batch of the tournament, bracket, whatever. one won when we failed filming. So I don't know who's gonna win this. Yep. Okay. The failed experiment one won. So next, this car is actually a pretty weird car. If you look at it close up, just like an experimented car, whatever. Versus this soccer car. This one's really speedy. I'll give you that. 3, 2, 1, race, start! Oh, that doesn't count. I didn't move this one. Nobody moved that one. So let's do a retry. Go. Ooh, I actually got that win. But guess is wrong. Okay guys, we're getting close to finishing this part of the bracket. This video might actually be pretty long, but we're gonna see if it's a short video at the end. So, fast fish one. Okay, next. This final race, then we're gonna move on to the second part, which we're gonna delete all these dead cars. Well, not dead, loser cars. So this one I know for sure is gonna win. It's one of the best cars I have. So go! Oh, he won by so much. That was a good battle. I keep finally to the second part of this bracket. So we're gonna get rid of all these dead cars. They're all out of order for some reason. I put them in the correct order. They probably disappeared. They're gonna go with the judges right here. The judges are still probably sad. Sorry, dead cars. Not just you though. You have 4 more friends with you. Put them in like a line. There, that's the loser line. Kind of sounds good, loser line. Okay, anyways, next is we're gonna do this. Then there. So you got these 4 battles up. So, oh, this is actually a good battle because last round, when it was the failed video, these 2 were the last 2 winners. So like they were in the final battle because I don't know what to say or final race. So and then this one won. I was thinking this one would win because it's so good. Still, this is actually going to be a good battle race. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was smooth. Wait, who won? That was smooth. That was a smooth battle. Ooh, this one takes the lead again. Every race, we're just getting closer to the end. I want to see who's at the end because it's not these 2 again. Oh, that was a cool move because the red one, this kind of cool car, like, not like I'll do it here so you guys can see. So we got like the 10-minute race and they're like this. This one is ahead. It turned at the perfect time to make this bump and then it just continued racing. I almost went under the couch. Okay. Okay guys, so we got these 2 cars next. This race car, nice looking race car that we already raced with, and Fast Fish. As you can see, actually, I don't think you guys can see. Fast and Fish. So we're gonna start this race in 3. Oh, it looks squeaky. Oh, Fast Fish. Oh, that's the farthest we've made it. Okay, anyways, guys, this last race till we move on. These dead cars are. Why do they keep going out of order? I swear I put them excited. Sorry, dead cars. You were actually a good combo. What if we did a bracket with teams? We could do that next car race video if we do another one. If you guys want another video of this. No room on that side, wait. Yes. I'm surprised that this one lost. I knew that this one would lose. Okay, next. It's getting exciting. Okay, now who's gonna win this round? Definitely this one. Oh! No, I feel bad for this one. I thought he would actually win. No way, this one beat it. Well, we could just put it in now because we won't need them. Okay, guys, I actually put them back in. So, looks fancier. So, we're gonna do. Why is it like this? So, we're gonna do the last battle until the final two. I'm excited to see who wins. I think it might be Fast Fish who wins. That's Squeaky Wheels though. Hey, Fast Fish is taking the lead today. So I put these two cars in the loser pile because they're losers. We're gonna move on to the final two over there. Also, why is Fast Fish here? Guys, I don't know who's gonna win, to be honest. Fast Fish. Actually, no hit. No, Fast Fish. Fast Fish is so gonna win. We're gonna do a really speedy one. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna go. Okay, so this car was first. I was hoping Fast Fish would get in first and demolish him, but I'm surprised he made it this far. I'm surprised that this car and this car didn't make it to the end. They're so OP. Anyways, he will go in the second place. Oh, sorry. He will go down there too. Just pretend there's stuff down there for them. Okay, anyways, that's the end of the video. Bye. Hope you have a nice time.